Inclement weather with rain and snow, just managing to fly out of Akureyri. It's a small aircraft, Bombardier. Iceland pilots are best in taking off and landing. It is said that if one can take off and land in Iceland, he can do it anywhere else in the world. Driving downwards to Vik, a glacial region which is the southernmost tip of Iceland. Vik is the warmest and the rainiest place in Iceland. We are now at Selja Landfoss waterfall.
The temperature here is not that cold, it's like 3 to 4 degrees Celsius, so it's tolerable. We have had worse temperature than this.
It's a very beautiful waterfall. You don't have to walk much, it's right on the main road. And you can see the water just crashing down and it looks beautiful. This is 60 meters tall. We also have an option to walk behind this waterfall, but now it's too late in the day and so it's all dark, so it's closed. Otherwise, we have an option to go behind the waterfall and stand over there. It's late in the evening. You can see there are lots of birds flying over there. This is the first time I'm seeing some birds over here in this place. Checking into Hotel Katla Resort in Vik. Located between snow-capped mountains, it has spacious rooms, a hot tub, gym and sauna. Had a short stint at the hot tub and sauna. Ice has settled on the pathway. Walking on ice is different from walking on snow. Snow is soft and easier to walk, whereas ice is hard and slippery. Crampons are a must. Vik, being in the southernmost tip of Iceland, is windy as it's closer to the sea. Even if the temperature is not low, the fierce wind makes it worse. Travel in Iceland is either by air or road as weather conditions doesn't support laying of railways. Anyway, the population is low and may not be required either. Iceland is considered by many as the safest countries in the world as the crime rate here is very low. Hardly 700 policemen employed in the country. This is one of the very few countries that doesn't have an army or navy or air force. Seeing the history of Iceland, there has hardly been any invasions, no battles. Only the volcanic eruptions or the earthquakes has created havoc in this country. Talking further about the history of this volcanic country, the Vikings from Norway settled in Iceland in the 9th century. Then there were Danish settlements. Iceland became a part of the Scandinavian countries after the Kalmar Union. Post-World War, the Republic of Iceland was formed. Though it's a part of the Schengen Treaty, it's not a part of the European Union. Euro is accepted in Iceland. However, the currency used is Icelandic krona. We are now going to the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. What you're seeing here is the Breiðamerkurjökull Glacier. This glacier is a part of Vatnajökull, which is the biggest glacier of Iceland. The Vatnajökull occupies 8% of Iceland's land area. In fact, most of Iceland's drinking water comes from its glacial waters. This glacier releases ice blocks into the Jökulsárlón Lagoon and finally into the Atlantic Ocean at its mouth.
the lagoon. In fact, I'm standing right on top of the ice.
Atlantic Ocean on the other side. The lagoon opens into the ocean. This place is mesmerizing. The color of the sand is black. The beach is littered with chunks of glittering ice blocks shining like diamonds. The shape of every ice block is different. They look like sculptures. These black designs on the ice blocks is the volcanic ash that has settled on the icebergs. On the way to Eldren lava field. This was created due to one of the greatest eruptions that occurred in 1700s. Its consequences were enormous. This is the biggest lava flow in the world. These formations are unique to Iceland. We don't get to see this anywhere else in the world. Imagine the area of the site. It's 565 square kilometers. The Apollo 11 crew came here to train for their moonwalk. We are on the Reynisfjara beach. Those are the famous stacks. A lot of stories around these stacks. The basalt columns. Spectacular view of the beach. Hope you enjoyed traveling with me. This is an 8-day Iceland tour which has been split into 3 parts. Do watch the rest of the videos. Links of the other videos has been given in the description box. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching these videos. Bye bye.